Mind your back, he shouted. Then there was a problem. The beehive fall and it break it open. The station cleared like magic. James heard familiar buzzing. The bees were too cold to be crossed, so they buzzed around the fireman, hoping he meant to hide. But he didn't understand, nor did his drivers, so the bee turned to James. His foot was nice and warm. Buzz off, hissed James. One bee burnt his foot. Ooh, ah, pooh, pooh. The bee saw James had burned him on purpose. So it stung James right back on the nose. Eee! Whistled James. He had had enough. So had his firemen and drivers. James